we do in Mexlog is vehicle administration and transportation. So we work for mostly big truck companies. That's our main business. We also do car haul. The biggest challenges that we face on the outbound side of our supply chain are customer expectations and just the customer demand. I think customers, as they become more sophisticated, as they evolve, they expect their suppliers to evolve with them. Where they become more technologically advanced, they become more demanding. And obviously the market right now is at a place where there's a lot of volume. There's a lot of demand. So customers are scrambling to fill in that volume. I mean, we need to keep up with them, and that's our challenge. For LLamasoft, we focused on two things when we implemented it. One was to drive our revenue, because we thought that of a key component in terms of how we modeled our logistics. Logistics, at the end of the day, to me, is just a huge jigsaw puzzle, and it's very difficult in terms of how it all pieces together, right? So we thought that by modeling it, we can drive our revenue, and by driving our revenue and being more efficient, we can reduce our costs. I think that the motivation with the LLamasoft team for this to be successful was very big, and they were with us every single step of the way. They worked closely with me, with my team, and they helped us implement a successful system. Now, it was so successful that we're now migrating this to the truck haul side. On the truck haul side, our assets are not car haulers; they're people, because we provide a driver. And that's the business. I think also in terms of considering a person an asset, we're one of the first 3 companies in the world to implement LLamasoft in that manner. So we're very proud to be cutting edge, to be leading the way in certain things. And I think that the LLamasoft team is conscious of that, and they're working with us constantly to make sure that we're successful. One of the most important things that LLamasoft has given us, that business foresight. And what I mean by that is that we go back to logistics being a big jigsaw puzzle, right? And the pieces need to fit in perfectly for it to work. So when you have a system that can model when you're barely getting an RFQ from a customer, right? That says, hey, we need to move product from point A to point B. And you put it in your system and say, well, how does that fit within my current logistics model? And if it complements your current logistics model, then you can offer a better price, to the customer, and make sure that you take that, and grab that piece of the jigsaw puzzle and make it fit. If it doesn't, then you need to decide, whether you want to upcharge for it and then do something different, or you just want to let that opportunity go because it doesn't fit into what you're trying to do. So that kind of foresight, that kind of planning, to me has been the biggest difference. That's game changer.